I can't hear when you got the thing on. You pause it.
That's what it's like this morning for like 25 minutes. Repetitive. It was over and over and over.
She sounds bad. I can go give her some medicine.
That's how she was this morning.
Listen to her breathe. Every time she coughs, she wakes up and calls for you. Daddy.
If you go up there, she won't go back to sleep.
I'm gonna lay on the floor.
When she's sick, she loves me.
She loves you all the time.
I know, but whenever she's like not sick, she's like, no, daddy.
She told me no, sir, for the first time. She usually says no, ma'am, to everybody. That's a sign.
What?
That she's daddy focused.
'Cause she's sick.
Daddy.